If you want your home to smell amazing, you've got to make this spiced pear potpourri pot. It is the elite of all potpourri pots. The warm smells literally engulf your home and leave your home smelling like the season. Welcome to episode 2 of my fall season, Spiced Pear Stovetop Potpourri. For your stovetop potpourri, you're going to need 2 pears. I'm using a Bartlett pear, which is really soft and really juicy. And I also have a Concord pear, which is not as soft and is a bit firm. So when practicing this recipe, I noticed I got a more pleasant and a stronger pear fragrance when I used the softer pear. So if possible, use a pear that is softer in texture because they are a bit juicier and I believe they hold more of the pear fragrance. Now, to your pot, you're going to first need to add 4 cups of water. Then you're going to add your pear, and you're going to need some ginger about 1 inch thick. Slice it up and add it to the pot as well. We're going to add in 2 cinnamon sticks, a tablespoon of cloves, and 2 tablespoons of juniper berries. Place this on your stovetop and let it simmer on low, and sit back and enjoy the wonderful fall fragrances that fill your home. Enjoy.